Ayan mga kaibigan, dumating na si Panot. Si Panot Indiano is here. Nangising ko yun. Sige, puro tani ka video ron. Vlogger na lahat. Akong vlogger na lahat. Si Panot. Welcome back. Shall I say welcome back or welcome home? Welcome home. Welcome home. So happy. What? Yes. We are here at Mactan Cebu International Airport. Hello. I'm with Francis. Hello. Hi. And with Ate JB. So we will go to downstairs because 3D will be there. Ayan, punta na tayo sa downstairs. Welcome to airport, Mactan Cebu International Airport. Welcome to Cebu. Ayan. Ayan mga kaibigan, welcome to Mactan Cebu International Airport. We're here. Abot mo na na. Ayan, let's see. Dumating na. Daray.
Hello, hi baka.
Let us check if they already arrived. Let us check from Manila. So based on the schedule kaibigan, so we are not late because it's 9:06 p.m. and the airplane will reach here at around 9:13. So we are not late. So kaibigan, dumating na yung ating hinihintay. AirAsia 2771 from Manila. Narito na si 3D. Let's, saan na panghatag ni? Ha? Yan. Yan mga kaibigan, nakita na natin no, na arrive na po ang flight ni 3D bound from Manila. So from India to Singapore to Manila. So I don't know where is he. Let's just wait. Dumating na si Panot. Si Panot Indiano is here. Nangising ko yun. Sige, puro tani ka video ron. Vlogger na lahat. Akong vlogger na lahat. Si Panot. Welcome back. Shall I say welcome back or welcome home? Welcome home. Welcome home. So happy. What?
No hugging out with me, so I'm not hugging her. No. No hugging.
Smart ikaw. See? He arrived now. Lady was here. We're at the airport now. Princess! With Princess. Hello, Princess.
It's okay, I will take. Don't worry.
Thank you, God. So guys, I'm with my two kings now. Yeah, Francis and 3D. We are here at Mactan Cebu International Airport. Hi to my two kings. Haha. Sana all my two kings.